Same procedure as on my last video. Please help me to find the correct decision how to go on with my channel in English or in German. So join the survey by clicking this info card button. Thanks for that. And now welcome to my first filler talk. Today with the topic OWL filament in black. Have fun. I started using OWL filament due to the price factor. I used the B quality and this cost only around 12 euros per kilogram, which is pretty cheap. I processed till now 3 spools of filament in black and I never had issues with that. But I got feedback from several people which had issues with layer adhesion, issues in not constant diameters of the filament, and with quality issues in general. So in this video I will check OWL filament in black in A quality, and I took the chance to compare it in the same video with the B quality, which I already used since months. That's the first time that I am using or I bought OWL filament, so I'm very interested in if there's any difference to the B quality. Let's talk about the packaging. All my B quality filaments were delivered without vacuum packaging and without silica gel. So let's see how this A quality was delivered. As you could see, the filament was delivered vacuum packed, but without silica gel. A pretty bad thing is that as the filament arrived, as I unpacked it, there was a lot of dust on the filament, which is a pretty bad thing because a lot of dust can contaminate your print, so it have influence to the visual quality and perhaps even clog your nozzle. The filament windings are not perfect, but to be honest, the important thing is that during unroll the spool there is no knot in the filament and the unrolling is very smooth, so that's okay. To compare the A and the B quality, I printed the temperature tower to find the correct temperature. I printed an all-in-one test, which I found on Thingiverse. So we have a measurement test, we have a bridging test, a stringing test and an overhangs test, all in one part. And to compare the visual quality, I printed this little dog. Printing with a B quality filament, which is opened since 3 months and not stored in a dry box, was no issue. You can see the results here. The funny thing, or better the sad thing, is that the printing with the A quality filament was not as easy. I had huge issues to print the A quality filament. I even got no good print in the beginning. During printing, I could hear the popping sound of the moisture in the filament. So, see here the results of the first prints. What I did, I dried the filament in the oven and printed again. And ta-da! After drying, the temperature tower looked like this. And it looks pretty good. It looks similar to the tower from the B quality. Okay, a little bit more stringing, but the other quality is the same. So I printed After that, the all-in-one test, and the all-in-one test as well looked pretty the same as the B quality. Okay, the stringing test is a little bit better on the A quality, but to be honest, I tried this and I don't try the B quality filament. And the dog, what should I say? It's exactly the same. I cannot see any difference on these two dogs, so the quality is the same. I measured the diameters of the filaments. I placed 10 points on 20 meters of each filament and measured the diameter, and it seems to be very constant, so we are between 1.73 mm till 1.78 mm. Here is my summary. Before I did this review, I was pretty satisfied with OWL Filament. Unfortunately, my delivered spool had a few issues. No silica gel inside, dust on the filament which could clog your nozzle or contaminate your print, and the biggest issue, the moisture in the filament, which is not acceptable because you cannot use this, or I couldn't use this filament spool in the delivered condition without drying by myself, and that a not acceptable point. After drying, the A quality showed good results. The printed parts had a good quality. The diameters of both filaments were pretty constant between 1.73 till 1.78 millimeters. So I don't say OWL is not good, but I'm disappointed of the result of this test, because it seems to be that OWL have differences in the quality of their production lots. I have a lot of other OWL filaments here, all in A quality, which I will review in the next time, because as I learned from other filaments, other colors could have other results. So for me, with this test, there is no need to buy the A quality. I can use in future the B quality again. If you are interested in more filament tests, please comment down below. As well, it would be very nice if you comment what are your experience with OWL filament, and even what is your favorite filament manufacturer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. See you next time. Bye bye.